channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. I do beauty related things, and if you like the content, please like my video, comment on it and share it with your friends. Today's video I'm going to show you how to do the contour, like what is the use of contour, what is contour and how you can do it easily. Basically why you should do the contour, why it is needed. Okay, contour is a boon for chubby faced girls like me. I have faced that like for ages now, and there is no cure. It is a really nice trick in the makeup to look slimmer like your face, and yes, slimmer face do make difference to your makeup. I will give the demo how you could do it in the last of the video. Right now I can show you the products you can use for the contour, like what I use. Firstly, if you want to do a very pro contour, then you need to have a stick contour like this. This is a very affordable product. This is the NYB Runway contour stick, and this is in the shade 14, the chestnut. Actually this has a very long name. Okay, I will put it in the description bar. So basically this is how it looks like. This is in a lipstick form. Okay, same as the lipstick. The only thing is this product is a contour. Now the first rule of contour is you should choose 2 shade darker contour, so that your face have a nice contour shade going on, nothing like that anyone could see and say, okay, your face is looking very okay. This should not be the case. Secondly, you need to set your contour with some contour powder or bronzing powder. I use this Wet n Wild kit. This is in the shade Caramel Toffee. Okay, so this is basically a powder contour, or you can say bronzing powder. It's a really nice product. It melts into your skin, it blends very well. It's a really nice product. So basically these 2 products I use for my makeup to contour my face whenever I'm going for a full glam makeup, or I want my face and my jawline to look a little bit slimmer. Obviously this cannot just reduce or fake fully face fat, but to some extent you could fake your slimness in your face. Also I'm gonna give you a affordable option, and this is from ADS. This is a straight up dupe of Balm. Balm has exact product, but the price is like in thousands, and this is, I bought it just for like 250 or 300 bucks, and this has this huge mirror, and this 6 shades, 2 are the highlighter shades and 4 are the contour shade, and I use these 2 shades. You can see the dent right over here. It is really nice product. The only thing is it is not long lasting, but this Wet n Wild is actually really long lasting. So now we are done with our products and why you should do contour and how you should do contour. We'll see next. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I am done with my base, and I have used this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is a really nice foundation for summers, so I am already done with that. And now we will move to our main thing, and that is contouring. Now when you look at me, you can see there is some face fat right here. There is no jawline actually, and then I have little bit fat over my nose also, and my cheeks are already chubby. I will show you how you can look a little bit slimmer by using your contour. I will do my contouring with stick, and then I will set it with the bronzing powder, and this way your contour stays better and for a long time. So for my cream contour I'm using this NYB Run stick. Okay, so this is how it's look like. It is very important for you to know what shade you are using, because if you use the wrong shade, then you are going to have muddy face. Like someone will look at you and say, what kind of mud is right here, what kind of shade and what is there in on your cheeks. So to avoid this, do not use wrong shades. I would say go with 2 shades darker than your skin. Like whatever your skin tone is, just go 2 shades darker than that. So I'm using this one. Some people do it with brushes, but I'll do it directly with stick, like they always do. So what you're gonna do is, firstly, you see this your cheek area, and there is here your hairline, where your ear starts. You need to create a line right over there. Okay, so I'm going to create a line right over here, and just mid of my pupil. There you can see your pupil of your eyes, this black area there. So basically you are going to create a line from there and stop it right here. Okay, I'll show you. see this line? I'll do the same thing to my left side. Okay, right now it is looking like, okay, I have created two dark lines right over there, but you will see the difference afterwards. The fun part for me is because I feel my nose is just a little bit fatty, so it's very important for you to contour it, and I'll show you how you do it. So you see there is this imaginary line over here where your eyebrow starts, and from here you need to create your contour like this to the end, like tip of your nose, like this. Okay, so I'll show you. Now in the same way I'm going to create a jawline. Look up. Always start with your chin area. You should always look up when you are doing your jawline, because otherwise it will not help you to detect where your actual jawline is. So it is better to look up and then create the line. And as I always say, start with less product. Now to blend the things, I'll use my brush. You can use the sponge also. The technique is same. Like for the cheek area, you will blend your contour upwards, and for the jawline, you will blend it downwards. And for the nose, you're just going to blend it like this, like the simple way. So I'm taking my contour brush. I'm going to blend it. Just be very light with your hand brushing. So you can see the difference already. Now just to set it and make things better, I'm going to use the bronzing powder, and I'll use my all-time favorite Wet n Wild contour kit in the shade Caramel Toffee. Okay, and obviously you can see the huge dent. I use it like nobody's business. And to apply the bronzer, I'll use the same contour brush that I've used, and I'll take a very less amount, very less amount, not much. So I'll take this, tap off the excess. That's it. Do nothing. Now I'll complete my rest of my face and come back. If you like the content, please like this video, comment on it, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends or anybody you feel like that this video is gonna be helpful to them. And yeah, I will meet you in my next video with some other great stuff. Till then, bye bye.